Monday morning, before your first coffee. Most executives spend the first hour of their week just trying to understand what happened last week. I spent 0 minutes. I told Dialogo to scan every sector I care about, find what matters, and brief me before I wake up. It went deeper than I expected. It didn't just find headlines, it read the articles. It identified the companies. It understood why each development matters and what to do about it. Then it opened Salesforce and created a record for every company worth tracking. Then it wrote the report, the kind you'd spend 2 hours writing, ready before your first meeting. It sent it to my inbox, notified my team on Slack. Salesforce, records created, companies enriched, opportunities opened. Google Sheets, every finding logged automatically. Notion, the full report, written, structured, ready. Outlook, briefing sent. Slack, team notified. 5 tools, 0 manual work.